In this video, you will learn how to print reports using the captured measurements for the various profiles that you have stored in your AAT. This video makes the following assumptions. 1. You are currently running release 4 or later of the AAT firmware. 2. You have watched the segment on AAT website login. 3. You have created one or more profiles and taken one or more captures with the AAT. 4. You are currently connected to the AAT's website and have logged in and are sitting at the home page. If you have not completed each of these steps, please pause this video and then restart when the steps are complete. Once you've captured measurements for all the sectors in your site, you're ready to print reports that can be provided to your customer showing the new alignment data for each antenna that was captured by the AAT. There are 3 options for printing reports from the AAT website. 1. Printing the site alignment result report for all sites. 2. Printing the site alignment results report for a specific site. 3. Printing a capture detail report for a specific capture. These options will be reviewed now, starting with the site alignment results for all sites that are currently stored in the AAT's memory. To print the site alignment results report for all sites, start by returning to the home page of the AAT website by clicking the Profiles/Capture/Report link in the navigation area and scrolling down until you see the All Reports button and the Report options. Check any of the measurement fields that you would like to report on, or uncheck the ones you do not want to report on, noting that by default, all fields will be displayed in the reports. Checking these boxes does not remove the data columns from the report. It simply causes blanks to be printed in place of the values. This can be useful in situations where you know that certain fields were not captured, for example, the height field. Once you've selected the fields that you want to report on, click the All Reports button and the Site Alignment Results report will be opened in a new window or tab of your browser. On your desktop or laptop, the browser's print dialog will also automatically open, allowing you to immediately print the report to any system printer, including any installed PDF writer or printer. In addition, some browsers, such as Google Chrome, have an integrated PDF writer available. Each site will be displayed, along with all sectors in that site that have had captures taken. Sites that have no captures taken as of yet will display a message indicating that condition. A variant of the Site Alignments Result Report is to only print the details for one specific site. Creating this report is very similar to the one just created. However, instead of clicking the All Reports button, click the Report button for the specific site you are interested in. For this example, click the ORL-333 Site Report button. Once again, the browser's print dialog is automatically opened on desktop and laptop systems. For now, simply cancel out of the print dialog. Let's take a closer look at the details listed in the Site Alignment Results report. Beginning at the top or header portion of the report, the company contact information is displayed, and directly below that, notice the job identifier and job description, along with the carrier information. Just below the job identifier, the AAT serial number is also shown. Below that is the site-specific information, the ID, site description, market abbreviation and description, and the final latitude and longitude of the site. Within the report body, for each sector, the detailed information for each antenna position is reported on 2 successive lines. The azimuth, mechanical down tilt, roll, and the height, along with the timestamp of the capture, are all reported on the first line. The final latitude and longitude, antenna serial number, TMA RRU MHA serial number, the expected and observed electrical down tilt, and any notes are reported on the second line. Notice that each measurement shows 2 captures identified as first and final. Regardless of the number of captures taken, only the first and last are reported. One way that users can take advantage of this feature is to take a capture to record the measurements before any adjustments are made, as a way of reporting how they found it. Then, a second capture is taken that shows the results after adjustments have been made or how they left it. When these reports are run, the first column reports the antenna measurements when they arrived, and the final column reports the measurements when they left. When reports are displayed, no extraneous information is shown on the page so that printed or saved reports are clean. In order to return to the AAT website navigation, simply close the Report tab or click back to the tab where the website page is displayed. The third and final report type is the Capture Detail Report. To access this report, first navigate to the home page by clicking the Profiles/Capture/Report link in the navigation area, and then click on the desired site button, which is identified by the site name. For this example, choose ORL-333. Once you have selected the site, scroll through the sectors until you find the desired sector. For this case, select Gamma 3. Then scroll down to the bottom of the capture window, and using the Next or Previous buttons, scroll through the captures until you find the one that you would like to report on. Finally, press the Report button to generate the Capture Detail Report. Once again, the browser's print dialog automatically opens when the Report tab is open, allowing you to quickly print the completed report to any system printer. This report provides more detailed information on a capture in a format that's easier to review than the full site report previously covered. Like the Site Alignment Details report, most of the optional information identifying the job, carrier, and other informational data is shown in the report header sections, and then the specific target and actual alignment values for the various measurement fields are displayed. Remember, when you generate any report on a desktop or laptop system, the AAT software automatically starts the browser's print dialog, allowing the report to be printed either directly to a printer or preferably to a PDF file, which allows the report to be emailed directly to your customer. Many computers already have some type of PDF printer installed on them, but if yours does not, there are several free options available for download on the internet. One such option that is sometimes used by customers is called Primo PDF, but any PDF printer option can be used. For additional information on installing and configuring a PDF printer, see the specific training module available on the SunSite training page at sunsite.com. If you are using an iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, another option for report handling is to simply take a screen capture while the report is on the screen, and then emailing the photo to the customer as an attachment. As long as the AAT has the optional Wi-Fi support installed, this capability allows the reports to be generated on-site and then emailed without requiring any PDF printer. The following example demonstrates this process. It assumes that you are familiar with connecting to the AAT using an iOS device, so please review the corresponding video before proceeding if required. Connect to the AAT using your iOS device and, following the instructions discussed earlier in this video, print the Site Alignment Report for any site. For this example, site ORL-333 has been used. Turn the device on so that the screen orientation is in landscape mode, and then pinch the report so that it fits entirely on the screen. Press the full screen icon on the web browser to show the entire report with no additional screen information, and then simultaneously press the on-off button and the home screen button on the iOS device to take a screen capture of the report. Press the home screen again, bring up the Photos app, select Camera Roll, and then scroll down to the image containing the report. Press the Share button, select Mail, then enter the recipient email address and any other required information, finally pressing Send to complete the operation. Also worth mentioning for iOS users that need to print a hard copy of their report is that reports can be printed directly from the browser on the iOS device to any AirPrint compatible printer. This eliminates the requirement of having a PDF printer installed altogether. This concludes the video on printing reports using the AAT's built-in website.